Good morning, ma'am and sir. I am Glenn Cañada. I am 47 years old. I have two kids. My eldest is 29 years old and my youngest is 17 years old. I've been in Malaysia before since 2011 to 2013. I worked there as a domestic helper. I can do cleaning, washing, car washing, ironing, and cooking. I've been also in Saudi Arabia since 2015 to 2017. I work there as a domestic helper and I can do cleaning, car washing, gardening, cooking, cleaning their house, and sometimes taking care of their younger daughter. And I've been also in Hong Kong since 2019 to 2024. My main duty is taking care of the 7 months old baby and then do marketing, cleaning, and do car washing and cooking. I hope you hire me, ma'am, as your new helper. Thank you and God bless.